Okay, welcome back again. So, in this lab, Lakehouse, Qwik Start. So, what are we gonna do? Yeah, Lakehouse is unified storage engine that simplify data access for data warehouse and lakes by providing uniform fine-grained access control across multiple cloud storage and open formats. So Lakehouse instant BigQuery, fine-grained row and column level security to table on data and result object storage such as Amazon S3, Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2, and Storage Cloud and Google Cloud Storage. So Lakehouse decouples access to a table from the underlying cloud storage data through access delegation. So this feature helps you to securely grant row and column level access to user and pipelines in your organization without providing them full access to the table. So after you create a lakehouse table, you can query it like over BigQuery table like we do in our labs. So BigQuery advanced role and column level access control, and every user see only the slice of data that they are authorized to see. Okay, governance and politics are forces also. So I just launched a lab, so we have some minutes to do this. And yeah, in this lab, the objective of this lab should be create and view a connection resource, set up access to a cloud storage data lake, and create a lakehouse table. Like so, query and a lakehouse table through BigQuery, set up access control policies, upgrade external table to lakehouse. So let's go. So set up a requirement. I already have done before. So let's check again. And yeah, in the cloud storage, in the shell command, just try to list the account. See that? Yeah, great. And also the project list. You see my projects. After that, let's go to the task 2. Task 1. Sorry. Let's proceed for the task 1. So create a connection resource. Lakehouse table access Google Cloud Storage data using a connection resource. A connection resource can be associated with a single table or an arbitrary group of tables in project. So from the navigation BigQuery Studio, click down OK. After that, to create the connection with switch to explore tab and click. So let's go in the cloud console and see BigQuery Studio. Yep, this one. BigQuery Studio, click done. So let's see, this is my cloud BigQuery Studio. After that, okay, let's go to create a connection, switch to explore table and click at the then use. Okay, let's go there. Explorer, add data. This one here. So and then use the search bar the data so to search for vertex CI. Vertex CI. Yes, vertex CI. Yes, within the access eternal data, please select BigQuery Federation. Yep. And connection type, in the connection type, please select the vertex CI remote model, remote function, lakehouse, and spawn. Yep. Okay. Often this is the right one. And let's go on. After selecting the BigQuery Federation in the connection list, we also select the idents. Okay, this is my connection ID. Sure. Let's go connection ID here. After the location, Mettre region, and US Mettre region. Yes, that's great. I think already select from not create connection. Right, that's great. So I have created this one. To view your connection information, select the connection in the navigation menus menu. So let's see. Yep. And yep, let's see connection. Now this is my connection I have created right now, so I can tap on this. This is my service account ID. Yeah, this is. And in the connection info section, copy the ID. You will need this. Okay, so we just copy this one and also put this here. Maybe I will need this, like I see it in the section. Okay, now let's go check my progress if it is okay. Great, so let's go on. Next step, set up access to the cloud storage data lake. Okay, in this session we just give the new connection resource read-only access to the cloud storage data lake so that the BigQuery can access cloud storage file on behalf of the user. So we could recommend that. Okay, for the navigation menu, go to IAM. Okay, IAM admin, and IAM click grant access, and a new principal should select the account ID that you copy early. Okay, and the select row should select cloud storage and then select storage version. Okay, let's go there. IAM ID. Okay, let's wait. Click grant access. In new on the ID, I just copy this one. Yeah, just copy this one. Assign a resource. Cloud service, cloud storage. And in the cloud storage, I have to select view, cloud storage viewer. Yes, cloud storage viewer. Cloud storage object view, cloud storage object viewer. This one. Okay, great. And after that, yeah, grant access to cloud storage step. Okay, save. I have to save this one, and yeah, this one like okay. I think that's all. After that, we're gonna do next, like check if it is okay. Great. So okay, now create text tree, create a lakehouse table. So example use the CSV file format, but you can use any format supported by lakehouse. Okay. Okay, Notion was provided. Okay, then get to BigQuery Studio. We switch to Classic Explorer and click the three dot next, create data set. Okay. Okay, let's go there. Let's create. Oh no, so let's go to BigQuery. BigQuery Studio. And in BigQuery Studio, in the Classic Explorer, create dataset, dataset names, major region. I think everything is okay. Location, major region, from down, leave the rest, now create dataset. Okay, great. Great. You can now create. Now that you have created a set, you can copy only the dataset from cloud storage into BigQuery. Okay, let's go. Okay, so name storage. Yep. Create table. Select Google Storage. Okay, let's here create table from Google Cloud Storage. And click browse name and yeah, and click custom CSV. Those stood on, but I think it is the right one. Yep. Yeah, it's the right one. So dataset is a demo. Yep. And yeah, and then click to import into BigQuery and click select destination demo dataset for the table name. External tables, let to create warehouse. So, lakehouse table using okay. Well, that's all. Great. So we create the account, verify that your connection ID is selected, show configuration, show some fluid like this. Okay, great. Yeah, I didn't check this one. Yep, that's great. Now for the schema, enable edit and copy this one. Yeah, schema to schema edit and just put this one here. Okay, great. And now create table. Select didn't I select this one? Okay, I didn't select it, so it says customer. I just forgot about this one. Okay, yeah, great. Now we have create table. Let's check the progress. Great. Query lakehouse table from BigQuery. So now that you have created lakehouse table, you can now use any BigQuery client to submit the query. Click on BigQuery demo from the big lake table. And from big table preview table, click query, run the following. Okay, yep. daytime to use, and let's query this one. Normally I should be able to see all the data, yeah, as you can see here. So I'm able to run this query. Now verify, you can see all the column, yeah. Let's go on, let's proceed with task 5 now. Set up access control policy on the Lakehouse table has been created. It can be managed in a similar fashion to BigQuery table. So let's add a policy tag to column. So you navigate to the demo site and click on the table to open it and click edit schema. So BigQuery table and linear schema edit schema right now. So in the edit schema, click on box net to address and postal code and phone. Check address, postal code and phone. There's 3 column. Okay, and then click add policy. Add policy tag. In this add policy tag, let's just click on BigQuery to S1 and set BigQuery policy. Select okay, and after that click select. Your column should now see this one. Yep, like we see. Great. Now verify the column level security. Open the BigQuery, edit BigQuery, run the following. Okay, let's see. Save this one and let's go to the query. Let's try to run this one. If you have any results, yeah, accept deny BigQuery. User has never find greenet reader, no mask get permission. Great. As you can see, we have this error. We have this warning. So let's run the following query. Omitting the column you don't have access. Yes, it should work. It should work. So like you see, we have result from this one. Now proceed to it. Task 6 now. Upgrade external table to Lakehouse table. You can upgrade existing table to Lakehouse table by associating the existing table to a cloud resource connection. So to do this, let's click on demo, then choose a create table. From create table from choose Google storage and browser, and yes, this right. Okay, I need this name. Okay, from storage. Let's select this one. Yeah, which invoice? Select this one. And external table name, external table. schema. After that, create table. Great. Let's wait and see our progress. Great. Now in the cloud shell, let's execute this one. Update external table to lakehouse table. Open the cloud shell, run the following command to generate new external table definition that specify the connection. Okay. Verify your table definition has been created. So let's try in this. Sub. Great. Let's see. Yeah. Auto detect true connection ID. Non-coding matchmaker. Okay. Invoice. Yes. Everything is okay now. And get the schema from table in the cloud shell. Yeah, update the table using a new external table definition. Should be okay. Successfully updated. Now check your progress. Great. Verify we update. We can go on this to see the external table, open data, and we see the ID connection. Let's go and see external table. Show a data. Yep. External data configuration this one. Yep. So yep, I think that's great. Not the end of the lab. So I think we create a connection resource, set up access to a cloud storage data lake, and created a lakehouse table from it. You then query the lakehouse table through BigQuery and set up a column level access control policy. Lastly, you update the existing external table to a lakehouse table using the connection resource. So great. I think this lab was nice. Okay, let's end the lab here. So yep. This lab was nice in my point of view. So